loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Claudia on the night before Valentine's Day. I'm wishing you a happy, marvelous, beautiful Valentine's tomorrow and throughout 2020. Treat your love like it's Valentine's Day the whole year through. And if you are your own Valentine's, I want you to treat yourself well because you deserve it. Without further ado, let's get this Valentine's Day look popping. And let me see. What I'm going for is a look that is, I'm going for a Valentine's Day look that's different. And I am so tickled to be using new makeup. Look at this. Yes. This is Anastasia of Beverly Hills. So let's get this base on first. Now, what we're going to do is try my Anastasia of Beverly Hills. My first Anastasia. I love the packaging. It's the eyeshadow quad. That's how it looks. It's I like that very soft Beverly Hills reflector-ish lavish little boxing little packaging. Is cute. That is adorable. Look how it looks. Let me see what this is. A little piece of paper on it. That is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love those colors. They don't have names, it looks like. But let's see how this comes off. It's just so pretty. What am I going to go in with? It looks like these two in the quad, you have two mattes and two glimmers, shimmer. So for Halloween. So for Valentine's, let's see, we're going for, you know what, I think I've got to have a little bit of pink in here. So I brought this palette out. This is my Carly Bible palette. That is deeply pigmented. That is richly pigmented there. I love eyeshadow palettes. That's so creamy, that groundwork. I'm wondering if I should take this up above the lid, since I do have hooded eyes. You could probably see it more if I took it up just a little bit. To give myself a contour here. Perfect. And I'll just take it up above where I want to lay down Anastasia's palette. It intensifies it more. And I will sweep that across lightly. This is Anastasia's brush too, from my girl's palette. This is from Jackie Ina's palette. This color from Anastasia's palette, and I'm going to do it, I want to do it with a flat brush. A little more than a tad. Wet that, and now we're going to go into this color. Picks up nicely when wet, and we're going to lay it down here. Oh yes. I think I will take it down just a little bit what I did was I used a little bit of the transition color that I used when I first started. Go just across the top here, almost though to give it a nice orangey appeal, to take it down just a wee bit, and then blend that out, I'm going to put a pink under this look. I will go with Carly's pink. That might overpower the look, but that is what I am going for, because this light pink at the bottom for a highlight, that's not it. So let me, I think I'm gonna wet my brush. And just two little, it's not really a pink, it's like a peachy pink. Picks up nicely when wet. And this we're going to put right under the eye. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, Carly. New mascara. This is the pretty pink one from BH Beauty Concepts. Volumizing mascara. That is definitely a volumizer. I mean, it's Valentine's. We're going to do this. Rum. And I will be back with the other eye. There we go. With the eyes. I really love the way the eyes came out. I think they are so dramatic. I like that. And this is Anastasia of Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Bellini, Bellini, B-E-L-L-I-N-I, Bellini. Bellini sounds Italian. Bellini. So let's see what this looks like. Got the lashes on. Ooh. Is that not pretty? Look at that. That is so pretty. Now here, the packaging didn't do this justice. And I am so glad I got this color because it matches my eyes beautifully. And I use this bottom tier See what it looks like. Wow. That is so pretty. They're leaning. That is so beautiful. I love that. That is exquisite. Now that is a Valentine look for you. Valentine 2020. Let's do this. I love that. That is so rich. Here are my thoughts on my new makeup today. The colors were rich. They went on as I thought they would, with lots of punch as far as color and very little to no fallout. And the glimmer shade was gorgeous. I will try it without wetting my brush next time, but I loved what it did with the wet brush. This little palette is so cute. Now, I love the colors in this palette. Even though I use only these two, I will use these two next time I do a makeup look with Anastasia. So I really did love that. Now, let me say, the lipstick is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love this with the colors here in this 4 quad palette.